Good morning and welcome to the channel. Here's my best friend Red, and we're out this morning on one of our early morning walks. It's currently about 6 o'clock in the morning and we're in the countryside. We're in a nice little field that I found above a new housing estate, and it seems to be one of these fields that they've sectioned off that no one else can get into, the farmers don't come into, so it's all grown wild. And to be honest, it's quite a nice little area to bring this one and enjoy the sound of the birds and a bit of peace and quiet first thing in the morning. Okay, so why did we start our channel? Well, myself and my wife, we both turned 50 last year. So yeah, we're both in our middle ages now. We both watch a lot of YouTube. And yeah, we just thought we'd like to start our own channel, give it a go, see if we can create something that we really enjoy. My wife, she watches a lot of videos. She watches the relaxation videos, the ones that have like the beautiful backgrounds, the ASMR stuff, the sort of tranquil music. Yeah, just generally background videos, but good for relaxation, stuff like that. She likes walk around videos. You know, stuff a bit like you're seeing now. People walking around nice villages, towns, bit of scenery, going through country cottages. We both like to watch urbex videos, although this isn't going to be an urbex channel, but occasionally you might see us recording around an old house or building on one of our walks. I also like the renovation videos, so there's a couple that I watch. One of them is the chateau in France. I like videos like the straight line missions, so you've probably seen GeoWizard. I'd quite like to do my own straight line mission, but at my age doing something like the GeoWizard does is probably a bit extreme, but you never know, I might do a small version, something that I can pop onto the channel. I'll probably do a few of these video logs with this one, as she seems quite popular on some of the shorts that we've done so far. And to be honest, it's quite nice out here, early mornings, just by yourselves. Hello you. So yeah, we started our channel, and at the moment it's a bit of a minefield. We'll talk about that in another video, but we're a month in. We've learnt a lot. It's a slow start, as I say. I'll do a separate video about sort of really how we started, what we've done and what we've changed so far. But yeah, we were never really sure what our niche was going to be, and I think we're going to keep it sort of outdoors type stuff. Maybe an amalgamation of everything that we enjoy, although I'm not quite sure how that will work with the viewers, because I know viewers do like a particular niche. But we're trying videos at the moment just to see what people enjoy, and we'll keep doing that and see how the channel builds up. Okay, so just some stats for the moment, just so you know where we're up to. We've got, in a month, 18 viewers, about 40 watch time hours, and I think 7,000 views in total. I think when I do these video logs, I'll try and give you all an update on what the stats are like, so you can see how much the channel is building over time. But certainly on the next one we will go a little bit more in depth into things like how we sort of chose the name, what video editing software we're using, and how we're trying to improve on each video as we go along. And if you look back over our channel, you'll see at the moment we've mainly done shorts. And these seem to be like a quick win. I don't think they'll be the main content of the channel, but they certainly help to bring in a little bit of interest and a few extra views. And to be honest, it's how we've had most of our subscribers so far. So thanks for watching this video log. As we're a small channel, it would be really appreciated if you could like this video, maybe comment, and if you could subscribe as well. We'll join you again soon and hopefully give you another update. Till the next time.